everyone, welcome back. So what's going on with Tesla? It's a huge confusion on the street. Some people say Tesla is the best investment, but some news media, some articles, some analysts say, you know what, this stock is already valued so much, it's gonna come down. There is no point in investing this stock. This stock could be worth $100. This stock could be worth $400. Wow. So investors like you and me, what are we supposed to do? I have a sizable position in Tesla. 50% of my portfolio probably belongs to Tesla. So it does bother me when I see articles like that. So I thought in this video, let us calm our nerves a little bit by talking about Tesla, the positive news about Tesla, and why media is so against this company. See, the problem with the media is that when they see a company that's PE ratio is like through the roof, they don't like it. They're like, why is this stock valued so much? With the product that they have on the street, with the product that they have out there, there's no way this stock can be valued so much. As I've mentioned in my previous videos, that companies are valued on their future value, not on their present value. Cathie Wood, we all know Cathie Wood, ARK Invest. She's a big Tesla bull. Why? Because of the future, not because what they're doing today. Because what they're doing today, it doesn't matter. That has been valued in the stock price years ago. What they will be able to do tomorrow is what's important. And that's where Tesla investors like you and me should focus on. Now, Tesla is a long-term play. If you are in the stock for short term, forget it. Don't play Tesla, you will get burned. But if you are in the stock for the long term, then my friends, stick with the company because I know that I am, and this is going to pay me handsomely in the next few years. I'm not a financial advisor. This is for entertainment purposes only. I want to make that clear. So here is my analysis on this stock and why I feel these two arguments, they all hold valid points. I'm not here to criticize anyone. I'm just here to give you my opinion and also help you make an educated decision on should you buy Tesla today, should you buy Tesla in 2 weeks, should you buy Tesla in 3 weeks, or should you not bother buying Tesla at this point. But before I share my research with you, go ahead and hit that like, share, and subscribe button. And also there is a link for Webull down in the description. Make sure to take advantage of 2 free stocks up to $1,850 value. You could get a Tesla stock, who knows? I got a free Disney stock a few weeks ago and wow, I mean, it's amazing. So you don't know what you're gonna get. So make sure you take advantage of that. All right, I'm gonna share my screen with you now. So there are two arguments going on and people, those who are Tesla bull, and we all know the biggest Tesla bull, which is Cathie Wood, she really believes in the company. She thinks this company has a huge future. Despite all the issues that's going on with Bitcoin, with Musk tweets, with Burry shorting Tesla for $530 million, she is still a big bull and she is still continuing to add Tesla. Now, we don't have money like Cathie Wood, of course, so we have to be careful on what we do with the Tesla stock. But then when we see articles like this, Tesla could shed another $110 before it finds support, that's worrisome because we feel then, okay, we are ready to buy the dip, but which dip? There are so many dips to pick from, right? I bought Tesla a few weeks ago for $600. I thought it was a great price and then it dropped to $570, then $550, and then I bought some more. So I have a very simple plan when it comes to that, and I'm gonna share that towards the end of the video. But let's first talk about the articles that we see here. So are these analysts going crazy saying that Tesla could drop another $110 before it finds support? Or is Cathie Wood crazy adding this Tesla stock at this price level? I think none of them are crazy. I think they both have solid points. Hear me out. So why is Cathie Wood saying that she's adding more Tesla stock? Two reasons. Number one is Cathie believes in the company. You and I, we both know. The second reason is that Cathie needs to hold a certain percentage of her portfolio in Tesla. And where the price is right now, she is okay to add that many shares. If the price goes down, she will actually add more because her percentage on her portfolio is going to go down. See, all these funds, they have to maintain certain percentage. And as soon as, if let's say the Tesla stock price goes to 850 or something like that, you will hear the news that she sold some Tesla share. It's not that she's taking profit. Now Tesla stock is overweight in her portfolio and she can't have that. They have to follow certain rules, certain regulation. Lucky for us investors, we don't have to worry about it. So even if the stock goes $1,000, hey, good for us, right? We don't have to sell any stock. We will just keep holding. But not with Cathie Wood. She needs to bring that total percentage of Tesla stock in her funds down to be at a certain level. So that's why she's buying right now, because the price right now doesn't matter if it goes down tomorrow, because she's not buying to sell tomorrow, or she's not looking for the short-term profit. She's looking for the long-term profit. And that's why she's adding right now. Now, what about the analyst like this who is saying basically it can drop another $110? The whole stock market is suffering right now. Somebody says we are in a correction. Somebody says we see a sign of bear market coming. So if the whole stock market goes down, the Tesla stock is going to go down with it, because again, Tesla is not different than the market. Any stock you want, just pick Peloton, Shopify, Amazon, anything, any hot stock or hot commodity stock that you pick, everything is down right now. Tesla is no different. That's why there could be a correction where we could see Tesla go down into the 500 range or 525 or 550. Nobody knows. Nobody has a crystal ball. Even these analysts have no idea where the stock is going to find support and where it will start coming up. I look at the moving averages. That's how I play stock. If I see a moving average like 574.50 was a 200-day moving average when Tesla stock dipped below, I bought some. Whenever I can, I look at the moving averages, I look at the chart, and I make my decision. Same thing going on here as well. So I feel that both these arguments hold true where they're coming from. It's no different. Cathie Wood, what she's saying is absolutely right, because again, she doesn't care if she bought the stock at 580 or 550 or 500. She has to maintain a certain percentage in her fund. And then if the stock goes to $1,000 in a week, she has to sell some to bring that percentage down, as I explained before. I feel that the confusion that's created for investors like you and me can be mitigated, can be stopped, or can be eliminated by looking at one thing. If you believe in Tesla, that Tesla will do better in the future, not next week, not in a month, I'm talking about 2 to 5 year range, then make your investments and make your bets now. Because it doesn't matter if you buy Tesla at 580, it doesn't matter if you buy Tesla at 500. In the long run, that $80 difference is not going to matter. What's going to matter is when Tesla goes from 500 or 580 to 1,000 to 1,200 to 1,500, that's what matters, because you're going to double your money regardless. Okay, but now let's talk about the future. Is Tesla going to succeed? Is Tesla going to get there where they're planning to get there? And for that, I have some news for you. Okay, I think one of the biggest news that matters for Tesla right now is basically getting their 2 factories online and start the production. That's a big milestone for Tesla to achieve, because if Tesla achieves that in time, okay, do not delay it, do not, maybe not next year, no. In 2021, if both of them are online, that's going to be massive for Tesla stock. The first news I have in this is that Tesla's Giga Berlin final assembly line takes shape after new approval. So we know that Tesla is going forward, moving along in the process of getting those 2 factories online and start the production. Okay, that's number 1. Tesla's Cybertruck production starts this year, company communication says. So this is just like on May 20, and just a couple days ago, some of the Tesla reservation holders, I'm also a Tesla reservation holder, I haven't seen the text message, but some people are receiving the text messages affirming a 2021 production start timeline, which is really exciting, because there were doubts that will Tesla be able to produce Cybertruck this year and deliver Cybertruck this year. I think so. There is a reservation holder link where you can put your reservation for Cybertruck, and you can see if when you're gonna get. Mine is showing October 2021, which is just in a few months. I'm really excited. I don't know if I'm gonna get it or not. Again, I'm patiently waiting, but I'm really excited about it, because I put my deposit, I think, within 2-3 days after the Cybertruck was released. Okay, the other news I have is that Tesla Giga Texas Model Y front megacast is as intimidating as it is revolutionary. So this is big, because we have seen some photos of Model Y front megacast in Giga Texas. That means things are progressing well even in Giga Texas, because assembly line is being done, construction is being completed, and they are now putting the final pieces together. Very exciting news. Another news is Elon Musk spurs rumors of potential Tesla factory in UK with new visit. So again, it's a rumor, Electric reported it, another gigafactory. Tesla needs to have these, as many as possible, to maintain the domination and keep producing more and more vehicles every year. So this is again a positive news. Now on top, Tesla's 12-month outlook gets 1,000 price tag from bull analyst Dan Ives. So even though with the current negative news, even the Bitcoin issue and all that's going on, there are analysts, those who are looking at the future, 6 to 12 months, where do they see Tesla from here? $1,000 price tag is so possible for Tesla. Now let me ask you, if you were to buy Tesla stock today, let's say for 500, okay, if Tesla reaches 1,000, would you kick yourself? No, because you just double your money. Okay, right? That's fair. Now, if you buy the stock for 600, forget 500, for 600, okay, and then 6 months later or a year later, you get $1,000, would you kick yourself? Would you blame yourself, or would you be upset? You will only be upset if you didn't buy at 600 or at 500. I totally agree with the analyst who basically said that the biggest risk you hold is not holding a Tesla stock. If you are a long-term investor and if you believe in the company, okay, you have to believe in the company. You need to have conviction, 100% conviction coming from inside. Not watching this video, not watching any other YouTube video. No, you need to believe in the company and then you put your money in, you'll be fine. Trust me. In the long run, this company is going to pay all us investors handsomely. And I'm not worried about the short-term market crash or short-term price down, or even if the stock goes down to 400, okay? Even if the stock goes down to 400 or 450, I read some post that says that it could go down to 450. Absolutely fine. That's fine. I'll buy more because I would be tripling my money, not just doubling my money. You see, so only, of course, invest wisely, do your research and invest. But I feel that this company, of course, has a huge, huge future because if Giga Berlin, Giga Texas, Cybertruck, if it all comes in production, Tesla Semi, if it all comes in production, we're going to see some amazing numbers from this company. All right, now I'm going to talk about the biggest catalyst, which I feel is going to take Tesla to the next level. You ready for this? Okay. So there was a news that came out that Elon Musk says Tesla eyeing Russia as a potential production hub. This is going to have Tesla enter into a market which is basically so closed right now. And if Tesla can land in Russia, have a factory in Russia, can start producing the car in Russia, we can really see a massive growth from this company. So I think it's a huge future catalyst, which is going to take the Tesla stock to the next level, along with, of course, Giga Texas, Giga Berlin, and of course, more production from Shanghai, more production from Fremont, FSD, Cybertruck. There is so much in line, okay? And the guy who's running it, you and I, needs to have faith in the person, right? Elon Musk. Doesn't matter what he tweets, when he tweets. I don't know when he sleeps because I see tweets at like 3 a.m. I see tweets at like 10 p.m. So I really don't know when he sleeps, but he's not foolish. He's not doing this just to have fun. He's a very well-planned guy and he plans 10, 15, 20 steps ahead. So just be ready and don't kick yourself in the future. Say, oh man, I should have invested when it was 580. Don't wait for 500. In my opinion, that's what I do. And I'm like, if I see moving average going down, I just put my money in and then I don't look at those stocks because I'm not selling tomorrow. I'm selling in the next 5 years and maybe 10 years, you know? So I don't really care what the stock is today or tomorrow. If I have some money lying around, I would go and buy Tesla stock. That's what I do with my money. Again, my opinion only, entertainment purposes only. So I hope I was able to provide you some value. If you get anything out of it, hit that like, share, and subscribe button. Help the channel grow. Thank you so much. Love you all. Until next time, you all have a wonderful day.